So, do you have the right to decrease your child support? I guess it depends. Let's get into it. Dear attorneys, I've been divorced for a few years, and now I live with my boyfriend. He's very generous and takes me on a couple vacations each year. My ex-husband seems to be frustrated by this and just filed a motion to decrease his child support. Can he do that? Sincerely, Stacy Support. First off, you are certainly not an asshole for being concerned about this. Your ex is an asshole if he's trying to take away these awesome vacations that your kids are experiencing for the sake of him decreasing his child support obligation. Honestly, what your ex is probably not thinking about is the fact that your ability to travel with your kids doesn't actually decrease the amount of money that you have to spend on a day-to-day basis for their housing, clothing, food, and that is the purpose of child support. So look, we work with people like this all the time, and here's the reality of it. The only two people that are involved in a child support analysis are you and your ex. If you are with somebody else and they are providing you and paying for some vacations, luxurious or not, that doesn't actually come into play in the child support allocation. Even if you have a new significant other that is currently paying for some vacations for your kids, that doesn't necessarily mean that that new significant other is going to be in your life for the rest of your life. So we are left again with you and your ex. So what you could do is you could send an email or a text, but certainly something over writing that acknowledges their concerns, but explains to them why they are off base in their logic. And if there's any other expenses that you've had to incur that may be larger than expected, then make sure to include those. If your ex is rational and he sees your point, then maybe he backs down and you guys can work it out outside of court. But otherwise, he does have the right to modify it, and the court has the right to see the evidence and to see what they may rule upon based on what they're having brought in front of them. We make videos like this so that we can inform you about pressing family law issues here in the state of Connecticut. If you want some more information about some of the things that we talk about, then please subscribe to our channel below or go to our website at www.wolfensshorelaw.com.